learned quite a lot. I've learned about the freedom of expression. I've learned about the hate speech. I've learned that we really need to do a lot concerning preserving and protecting people's rights generally around the digital area. For today's session, I've learned about the Data Protection Act. I realized that they just passed it into law, and the importance of it in Nigeria, it's of great importance that actually need to protect ourselves generally. We shouldn't be careless in our data and images, basically, and that freedom, I think we did freedom of expression today. Basically, data protection, we should try as much as possible to protect ourselves within the data. Yes, the training has met my expectation because I have more knowledge in the area of data protection, freedom of expression, hate speech, and basically I'm a better person for attending this training. We need to create more awareness concerning the digital rights of all members of the state, and also create more awareness about how we can protect ourselves generally. I just want to thank the organizers and pray that God will continue to give them more wisdom, and to just thank them for giving us this opportunity, because it's not every time we get the opportunity to be trained in our field and outside our field. I want to commend them for this and say thank you.